Batch 412 is cleared for loading.
Inside the mixer, the process begins. Vibrant master batch pigments meet rotating the base. Blades ensure a perfect distribution. Fine additives are. This creates a perfectly uniform mixture. Precision begins with the perfect blend. Thousands of polymer granules swirl in a controlled vortex. Automated systems monitor every variable. Precision begins with the perfect blend. Thousands of polymer granules swirl in a controlled vortex. Automated systems monitor variable. Precise automation ensures a flawless blend. Every granule is perfectly distributed.
In a meticulously crafted factory, vibrant plastic granules flow seamlessly through shimmering stainless steel hoppers. The symphony of precision machinery hums as synchronized feed screws rotate in perfect harmony. Brilliant volumetric lighting bathes the colossal blown film extrusion machine, revealing its intricate details. Each component works in unison, showcasing an industrial ballet that captivates observers, transforming raw materials into endless sheets of possibility, all in stunning 8K HDR.
Inside the extruder, raw plastic pellets are fed into the system. Massive twin screws rotate, generating intense friction. This process forms a continuous, high-quality film.
Welcome to the next generation of manufacturing. Here, AI controls every precise movement.
Intelligent systems monitor production in real time.
The line 4 tension looks stable. Check the core alignment.
Copy that. Adjusting feeder now.
The line 4 tension looks stable. Check the core alignment.
Copy that. Adjusting feeder now.
The line 4 tension looks stable. Looks stable. Check the core alignment.
Copy that. Adjusting feeder now.
This facility operates at peak efficiency. Every roll is wound to precise digital standards. This facility operates at peak efficiency. Every roll is wound to precise digital standards. This facility operates at peak efficiency. Every roll is wound to precise digital standards.
The registration on the current run looks absolutely perfect.
Agreed. Let's keep the line running at this speed.
The registration on the current run perfect.
Agreed. Let's keep the line running at this speed.
This slow motion view is incredible.
The registration is perfectly aligned.
Our AI vision system ensures absolute precision on every print. Flexographic print delivers vivid product branding. Ink dries instantly for sharp and aligned logos. Industrial drying tunnels instantly cure freshly printed bags. Heat waves shimmer as vibrant inks become perfectly dry. This system dries thousands of bags every minute, utilizing high-velocity air for flawless results. This system dries thousands of bags every minute, utilizing high-velocity air for flawless results. The drying process is stable, airflow is optimal. Freshly printed films race through the high-speed rollers. Intense heated airflow dries the ink instantly. The bags continue to the next production stage. Ultra-high-speed servo cutting takes precision to the next level. Optical sensors ensure perfect alignment before every cut. Precision rollers feed the printed film at high speeds. Synchronized blades create perfectly uniform bags, delivering flawless accuracy with every rotation. Experience perfect precision with every cut. Our automated systems count and stack flawlessly, redefining efficiency in modern manufacturing.
Precision is the heart of modern manufacturing. Advanced heat sealing ensures every bag is perfectly durable. This is where technology meets flawless execution.
This automated system handles thousands of bags every hour, delivering perfect precision with every heat seal. This robotic system handles thousands of bags every hour, delivering flawless consistency with every heat seal. This is precision engineering. This robotic system handles thousands of bags every hour, delivering flawless consistency with every heat seal. This is precision engineering.
Precision is non-negotiable in high-speed manufacturing. Every punch must be perfectly aligned. Watch as the hydraulic die creates a flawless finish. Efficiency meets absolute perfection.
These servo-driven systems deliver flawless precision at incredible speeds. Each handle is die-cut, and the waste vacuum removed instantly.
The print alignment on these looks perfect. Let's check the seal strength on the next batch.
Seams are holding up strong.
This seal strength looks absolutely perfect.
The color alignment is spot on.
Precision sensors track every unit at hyperspeed. Robotic arms organize them with absolute precision. Hundreds of bags are processed in minutes. The entire facility operates on seamless automation. Precision robotics ensure that every stack is perfectly aligned. Human operators monitor production through advanced digital interfaces. High-speed robotic arms collect and stack the bags. Uniform bundles are formed with flawless precision. Intelligent sensors verify the count in real time. Precision automation drives this high-speed line. Each bundle is counted and perfectly sealed, ready for global shipping. Precision automation drives this high-speed line. Each bundle is counted and perfectly sealed, ready for global shipping. Precision automation drives this high-speed line. Each bundle is counted and perfectly sealed. These packages travel rapidly toward the dispatch area.
Are those red bags ready?
Ready for aisle 4.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Here, thousands of packages are processed, driven by pure machine precision. Let's get these pallets moved to shipping. Ready for departure.
Dispatch, this is Convoy Alpha. We are on the move. Copy that, Bill. Maintain visual distance. Let's have a safe trip. Bay 4 is ready for you now. Let's get these pallets unloaded.
As the sun sets, the distribution chain springs to life. Countless shipments leave the factory for regional hubs, delivering essential goods to stores across the nation.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you.
Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did, thanks.
These bags are packed and ready to go.
That was really fast.
Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, we did, thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Did you find everything okay today?
Have a wonderful evening.